Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Lodhi Kaneez Fatema, Head of the Department Political Science from J.A.T Science and Commerce College, Malegaon Dist-Nashik. You all are welcome in my video lecture entitled Bureaucracy. Bureaucracy means stable power, officers' power. It is a system of government in which most of the important decisions are taken by state officials rather than by elected representatives. इस सिस्टम ऑफ गवर्नमेंट में इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव की बजाय जो स्टेट ऑफिसर्स रहते हैं बहुत सारे डिसीजंस वो लेते हैं। पॉलिसी फॉर्मुलेट इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव कर देते हैं, लेकिन पॉलिसी इनेक्टेड जो है वो ब्यूरोक्रेट्स के हाथ में होता है। एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ब्यूरोक्रेसी, all of the approximately 2000 federal government agencies, divisions, departments and commissions are example of bureaucracies. The most visible of those bureaucracies include the Social Security Administration, the Internal Revenue Services and Veterans Benefits Administration. These are the example of bureaucracy. What is bureaucracy in an organization? Bureaucracy, a specific form of organization defined by complexity, divisions of labor, permanent professional management, hierarchical coordination and control, strict chain of command and legal authority. It is distinguished from informal and collegial organization. What are the 4 types of bureaucracy? In the US government, there are 4 general types: cabinet departments, independent executive agencies, regulatory agencies, and government corporations. What is the difference between bureaucracy and democracy? Democracy is a form of government in which the people have the authority to choose their governing legislation. Bureaucracy is responsible for implementing the policies, but democracy gives right to elected representatives to make or formulate the policy. How does bureaucracy work? Bureaucracy is the implementing agency of the state policy. Its parts and units aim to serve the objectives of the state, and it works as an intermediary between the government and society. Bureaucrats exist in governmental ministries, institutions, department units and agencies in both central and local levels. Why is bureaucracy necessary? In government or large organizations, bureaucracy is indispensable in administrating rules and regulations. A bureaucratic structure is designed to administer large scale and systematic coordination between many people working at different levels to achieve a common goal. What is bureaucratic democracy? He argued that the United States operates under a system of bureaucratic democracy in which governmental decisions increasingly are made in bureaucratic setting out of the public eye. This is a book for all political scientists, policy makers, government officials, and concerned citizens. How does bureaucracy affect your daily life? Pros for having bureaucracies: it improves the quality of life, cleaner air, safe food, and repair roads are just a few of the way that bureaucratic regulation make life better for its citizen. Thank you very much for listening this video.